What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for Pipeline the Surf Coaster construction. And as we can see right there, more track has gone into place. So let's go check it out. Parking and security was a breeze, and ticket windows do not look busy at all. But yeah, exciting stuff as that big track piece is now in the air, and hopefully there are some other ones staged just below it for work tomorrow, because I think they're done. The crane is down right now, so I'm not expecting anything else to go up today. That's okay though, still wanted to come check it out. Yep, like usual, no way to get through, and we are on our way. Same kind of temperature the last couple days, same kind of busyness inside the park, at least it feels. I am dead tired, guys. Today I had to climb 2 different towers, spent at least 4.5 hours on them. My arms feel like jello, but wanted to come here, check out the progress, let you guys know what's going on with Pipeline. Just look at the difference Pipeline is already making to the Skyline here at the front entrance. Looks awesome. Yep, it's looking pretty tall. But here's something interesting to note. That support right there is the second tallest one. There's still one more that's going to be taller, but the ride is almost topped out. It's bridge time. Let's go see how everything looks from over here. Again, I am so thankful that the bridge is open during construction. Allows for some awesome views. And when testing eventually happens, it's gonna be even better. So right off the bat, I see a bunch, and I mean a bunch of supports for the turnaround on the ground. Those look to be going up tomorrow. And that's gonna be the tallest support segment right there, and possibly the one right after that. So we have right now the second tallest one in the air, taller one is gonna go up, and then there's one that is shorter than that second taller one, and that's the last one for the turnaround. I don't see any track, at least over there, but tons of supports. Crane is down. Maintenance barn area looks to be about the same. Station really hasn't changed much at all in the last week. I mean, they might be doing a couple things here and there, but I'm not really noticing too much. And same situation over here, pretty much the same as it has been the last couple days. Other than pipeline progress, well, Christmas celebration. Yesterday we showed you the frame for the very large tree. Well, now they have all of the branches and foliage on there. Looks awesome. Well, check it out. The Sea of Trees are doing a lighting test right now. Unfortunately, Sky Tower, well, still not in operation. Haven't seen a test either. So don't think that's going to be open anytime soon. But if it does change, we'll let you know. I will say this, a lot more Sea of Trees since our last visit yesterday. They extended more down this way and a ton more over this way over by Icebreaker. All right, well, we asked you guys yesterday what we should call these fish. Surf fishies. I kind of like that one. Work continues for Christmas celebration over here at Bayside Stadium. Looks like the ice rink has a nice thick layer of ice. So I'm expecting rehearsals to begin very shortly. Yep, this is a lot more Sea of Trees than what we saw yesterday, and it's not even half of them. Kind of crazy. Work walls are still up over here by the former ice cream shop. Still don't know what they're doing, but they're doing something. Well, this is a bit different. The retention pond that's right over here by Infinity Falls is really low, and there's a bunch of brush. It looks like they chopped down after the hurricane. By the way, just in case if you were wondering what I thought would be a good location for another roller coaster, well, you've got a big area right here and access over to the lake, so you could do something very similar to Wavebreaker. I don't know, just saying, SeaWorld. See, I wasn't joking. That pond is really low. Mako! And yesterday it was showing a 45-minute wait. I think that was due to it having one train. And today, same situation, one train, but the wait, 5 minutes. Much better. Just like what we saw over near Bayside, a lot more Sea of Trees starting to appear on the lake. And there's more over here by Lakeside Grill. Yep, you can see pipeline from all over the park now. Track height, some, my guess, is around maybe 85, 90 feet or so. And again, max height is 110, so just a little bit more to go. Well, unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to be flying the drone today. Not a lot of construction happened. There was some, but not enough for me to warrant flying the drone. When they complete that turn, though, yeah, we'll get you some. As you know, and I have already said, I am extremely tired. I feel like I could fall asleep just walking right now, but that doesn't stop me from visiting Pink Chickens. Yes. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Pipeline the Surf Coaster. Crews installed another segment of track, and they're getting close to topping it off. They are putting up supports tomorrow, and once again, you know we will be back to cover it. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Midway Mayhem, and we will see you out on the Midway, guys. Bye!